After you're done shooting, it's time to save the footage. This should be the very last step you take before returning the camera package. First, ensure the camera shuts down properly. Gently remove the external SSD from the cage on top of the camera. Gather the USB-C cable from your camera bag. Without forcing it, connect the USB-C cable to the female port on the end of the SSD. Connect the other end of the USB-C cable to the computer or an appropriate adapter. When you plug in an external SSD, it will appear as a mounted drive on the computer. Right-click and copy the whole drive to the appropriate location in your project's folder. I have a folder with today's date here. Once the drive has finished copying, double-check that your videos play and audio is good. Once you've ensured that there have been no transfer errors, safely eject the external SSD. Once the SSD has been safely ejected, remove the USB-C cable from the computer. Go back to where you transferred your files and make sure all of the files play out and not reference the drive. Finally, restore the USB-C cable to the camera bag and the SSD to the camera cage.